What's up guys, hope everyone has been getting on good. Today's video should be an interesting one, especially for those who want to learn how to broaden their horizons when it comes to the types of income they attract. We'll be going over 6 types of income that majority of billionaires have. Whilst you're here, remember to like, subscribe and comment below. Make sure to watch the whole video without skipping. Let's get started. First, let's talk about being rich and wealthy and differentiate between the two. Being rich in simple terms is having a substantial amount of money that affords you an above average lifestyle, along with having disposable income that you may choose to spend on whatever you want. The thing with this money is that it is limited and it is uncertain how long it will last. Being wealthy is a whole different ballgame, which consists of having money invested in many different avenues and assets, such as businesses, property, land, shares and capital. When a rich person's money ends, it will be difficult and will take longer to regain it, whereas if a wealthy person spent all of their disposable income, they will still have money coming back through the various streams of income they've set for themselves. A rich person's family can only inherit the capital they've set aside, whereas a wealthy person's family will inherit all of their wealth and their net worth through the various assets and streams of income they'll have left behind for them. If you want to protect and grow your money, it's important that you focus on becoming wealthy and not just being rich. Now that we've understood the difference between the two, let's get into the 6 streams of income billionaires usually have. Earned income. This is the type of income majority of us have from working a job that's based hourly or on contract. This type of job takes a lot of our time and has a diminishing return once reaching the point where you're at the top. This type of income is however very important, since it will be a stepping stone if you want to earn capital to invest in other avenues and earn a living whilst doing it. Profit income. This is when a product or service is bought or created and sold for more than what it costs to do this. An example of profit income is a company such as Apple that creates and sells iPhones and Apple Macs. This is the income stream that many entrepreneurs have through the selling and buying of goods and services through their businesses. Dividend income. When a company or business is limited, it means their shares are available for the public to purchase. Dividend income is income received by an individual via dividend distribution from a business. The more value a share has, the higher the income that an individual will receive. When owning a share, it means you own a small part of that business. The more shares you own, the higher percentage of that business you own. Rental income. Rental income usually comes from owning real estate and renting out homes to customers, although it's not limited to this. It also includes commercial property that may be lent to businesses to use. Industrial property can also be lent to businesses to use as manufacturing warehouses. Other types of rentals include car rentals or studio equipment to customers, for example. Rental income can be defined as any income made by renting out belongings or property to a customer in exchange for a fee. Residual and royalty income. This is income that is accumulated even after the job is complete and finished. For example, sales coming in after a product has been finished and launched, for example a well-selling book, an educational podcast that keeps selling after it has been recorded, or a YouTube video that keeps being viewed after being recorded and uploaded. The individual still receives income through this even after their job has been done. Capital gains. This is income gained through selling capital and assets such as a home or a business that has appreciated in value. If a home was bought for 400 grand and has gone up by value up to 600 grand, the seller makes 200 after having sold it. Same way with a business. If it was built from scratch and was worth 50 grand after being invested in and went up by value to $1 million and then was sold, the seller will have made 950 grand. Capital gains are a realistic possibility for someone who invests in assets that appreciate in value over time. That's it for today's video guys. Make sure to keep a mental note of these types of incomes and look into creating them for yourself when possible in the future. A lot of these types of income have tax rates that are a lot lower than your regular earned income. This is how billionaires retain a lot of their money and avoid paying taxes by exploiting loopholes. But that's a video for another day. Make sure to like, comment below and turn on the notification bell for when the next video drops. Till next time, peace.